Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your AirPods just keep disconnecting from your iPhone. Now, this can happen for really a ton of different reasons. There's never just one reason why this happens, but essentially, what I've seen time and time again is that there's typically a software issue involved or something going along with your iPhone and your AirPods that just keeps disconnecting from your iPhone, and it's never really a hardware problem. So there's never really an issue. It's just either interference with, things around you, or it's the software that your phones are on right now. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your iPhone. You want to click on the settings app, and you want to just make sure that you have your Bluetooth enabled on your iPhone. So as you can see, my Bluetooth is on. You also want to go ahead and just kind of double check, scroll down here, click here. As long as the Bluetooth is on, even if AirDrop is on, then you're pretty much set because Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. At this point, you want to try reconnecting your AirPods to your iPhone, but you want to disconnect them first. Now, in order to do this, what you want to do is you want to go in your AirPods, open up the case, and you want to click the back button right here. There's a button right here. You want to go and hold that down until you see this white light starting to blink. So as you can see it's starting to blink, you want to make your way over to your Bluetooth settings, and you will essentially be able to see the little AirPods come up on the bottom. You want to go and click connect, and we're essentially just reconnecting our AirPods to our iPhone. So they were connected before, now we're simply just reconnecting, and that's essentially it. As you can see, I can go and click done, and if I go over here, you might be able to see that the AirPods will probably end up being working, and you're pretty much set. Reconnecting your AirPods is essentially the easiest way to go ahead and fix your AirPods if they're not connecting in the first place, or if they're constantly reconnecting and disconnecting and all that stuff. Now, let's say you've tried everything and your AirPods are still not connecting properly. Well, the next thing that I would recommend you to do is to update your iPhone. If you're on a very old version of iOS, even before AirPods 2 came out, which I think was like iOS 12, if you're on a version of software below, the AirPods that you bought, they are not going to work on your specific phone, and I've seen this time and time again. So what you want to do is you want to click on your settings app, just like so. You want to obviously be on this panel. You want to scroll down until you get into General, which is right here. So click on General. You want to click on Software Update, which is right here. And then what you want to do is you essentially want to update your phone to the most recent version of software that's possible. So as you can see, I see iOS 14.5. I'll see this download and install button. So I'll click download and install and update my phone to the most recent version of software possible. Now, if you're rocking an iPhone 4 or an iPhone 5, chances are these AirPods are not going to work on your iPhone. There's a lot of iPhones out there that are not supported with AirPods, including the AirPods Maxes. I don't think the iPhone 6, 5S, or 6 Plus, and some iPads too. Those don't support the AirPods Maxes. So that's essentially it. You're just really going to have to wait until Apple, I guess, makes headphones for those. You're going to have to use different headphones. But that's pretty much how to fix your AirPods if they're not connecting properly to your iPhone, if they keep disconnecting. So if you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys get hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.